How does the saying go? When at first you don't succeed, try again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying to use that same MJ design that I used yesterday, this one right here, in hopes that I can make it look good because I really like it and I want to make it look good. So I'm going to give it just a white base, and then we are going to use colorful stamping polish to give it like a rainbow effect. And all of my stamping polishes are from Bundle Monster. I don't know what collection this is from. I just bought them off of Amazon. But we have like 6 or 7. We're using 5. Sorry, there's like 6 in the case. We're using 5 of the colorful colors to make this design. Okay, so now we're going to go around our fingers with some liquid latex, and then you're just going to let this dry, and once it has dried you can move into your stamping. The stamping image I'm using is so big that I'm hoping I can cover all of my nails without having to stamp again, but we'll just see how it goes. If there's not enough of the image that I like, or if I don't like how it stamps, we might have to restart. I don't really know, but let's get into our stamping. So I'm just going to start by laying down a little line of yellow, purple, orange, and then I decided I should probably go a little bit further where this design is so long, so now I'm adding on to those little lines. I don't feel like it's necessary to go across the whole image. There's enough polish buildup right there on that one little stripe that I'm giving it that will be able to carry out throughout the whole plate. And then I am using the blue, the green, and then the red color. So I lied. I guess I did decide to use all 6 of them just because they could fit on the plate, so might as well. But my nails clearly are not this long, so we are not going to be getting a full spectrum of all the colors on one nail at a time. And you don't want to scrape too many times. Once is kind of your limit with all these neon colors, or else they'll just get muddy and turn brown. So I'm just picking up the whole design, and now I'm going to find placement for each of my nails. So here's what the end design looked like. My camera died while I was stamping these on, so you guys didn't get to see that. I didn't get it filmed. But as you can see, you still can't really tell what is on my nails. You kind of have to look for it. You can see Eric on my middle finger, a little bit of Ariel on my ring finger. And I'm just going to clean this up and put some top coat on it and see if it saves it at all. But again, I'm not loving it. I think when you use this image, you need to just focus on one couple and put them on your nails. On my pinky nail, I do have Hercules, or no, on my pinky nail, it's Aladdin and Jasmine. But again, I'm not in love with it. This isn't my favorite design that I have done, and so I want to play with this image some more just so it's not a wasted image on my plate. And it's a really cool image. I think you could really do some cool stuff with it, but I just haven't figured that out yet. Anyways, I'm going to clean this up, take off my latex, and put some top coat on. And the top coat I decided to go with is a hollow top coat. This one is from, it's called Prison Break, and it's from KB Shimmer. And I decided to do a hollow top coat just because I was trying to save it in some way, shape, or form. But you can see that the purple is like smearing, even though it's had plenty of time to dry. I don't know, guys. This was just an interesting piece of work. But there's the finished design. I like it a little bit better. It's not a total nail fail, but it's not something that I'm in love with. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to follow me on all my other social media sites. I have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, as well as subscribe here. And don't forget to click the bell for notifications. As always, be polished, wear polish, and a little superstition never hurt. We'll catch you guys later. Bye!